Hello everybody and welcome back. Today we have one very beautiful stitch that in my opinion will look very nice on some larger projects such as blankets, throws or even big scarves. I'm going to show you on a small swatch how to make it. For my swatch I'm going to chain 31, but of course depending on how wide you want your project to be, you have to chain multiple of 6 plus 7 additional chains. So let's start with our chains first. So now we have our chains. Row 1 we're going to start by making one treble crochet in the 5th chain from the hook. So yarn over twice and let's count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. In this chain, 1 treble crochet. Like this. Then we have to skip 3 chains, 1, 2, 3, and in the next chain we have to make 1 double treble crochet. So we have to yarn over 3 times on the hook, go into the chain and pull up a loop, then yarn over, pull through 2 loops, yarn over, pull through 2 loops, yarn over, pull through 2 loops, and one more time through the remaining loops. And after that double treble crochet we have to make 2 more, absolutely the same way. Yarn over 3 times, then go into the next chain, pull up a loop, and then pull through 2 loops at the time until you reach the end, like this. And one more. Okay, now that we have the first 3 stitches, we have to go back to the chains we skipped to make another 3 double treble crochets. Yarn over 3 times. We're going to start in the first chain, go into the chain like this, and absolutely the same way make the double treble crochet. This is how it's looking. Now we have to make 1 double treble crochet in each of the 2 chains. Here's the next one. And the last. And now we have this X shape right here. From here we continue with, again, skip 3 stitches, and in the next 3 we have to make 1 double treble crochet. 1, 2, 3, and then go back to make the next group of 3 double treble crochet. 1, 2, and 3. And from here the steps are the same. Skip 3 chains, 3 double treble crochet in the next 3 stitches, then go back and make another 3 double treble crochet in the skipped chains. To finish the row, make 1 treble crochet, so yarn over twice, 1 treble crochet in the remaining 1 stitch. And this is how it's looking so far. Okay, so row 2 we're going to start from the right side. This strand here, you have to cut it and hide the end. I'm not going to do it because my swatch is very small and I don't want to waste the yarn, so I'll leave it like that for now. But every row it starts from the right and ends to the left, so you have to cut it every time when you finish the row. That's why I said that this stitch it will be better to be used for larger projects, so you don't have to cut the yarn so often. So row 2 we have to start from, like I said, from the right side in the first stitch right here. I'm going to insert the hook and take the new yarn, pull through the loop, make 1 chain to secure the yarn, and then 4 chains like this. Now we continue with the double treble crochet. First we're going to work around these 3 stitches here. We're going to make 1 front post double treble crochet in each of them. So yarn over 3 times for the double treble crochet. To make it front post, you have to go behind the stitch, pull up a loop, and then make the double treble crochet the same way, like this. Yarn over 3 times, and then we're going behind the next stitch, like this, and 1 more. Now from here we have to skip the next 3 stitches and we're going to work around the other 3 after that. Right, these ones here. Again the same way, front post double treble crochet in each of them. From here we have to go back to work around these stitches which we skipped. Yarn over 3 times, and we're going to go behind the stitches we made. Get them out of the way. Here are the 3 stitches we need. We're going to start from the first to make 1 double treble, like this. This can be a little bit hard at first until you get used to it. Okay, I'll make the last one and I'll show you how it looks. Like this. They have to go behind these 3 stitches. And then we move on to the next group of stitches here in the back. Again, 3 front post double treble crochet. And then we have to work in the skipped stitches. Going back, repeat the same steps until you reach the end of the row. So when you reach the end of the row, make 3 double treble crochet around the last 3 stitches, and then what is left is this stitch here at the end, and we are going to make 1 treble crochet into the stitch. So let's start row 3. I'm just going to grab the yarn from here, but you will start with a new strand, but you have to insert the hook here into this chain, then grab your yarn and pull through the chain. Make 1 chain to secure the yarn and then 4 chains. Skip the first 3 stitches. Now we're going to work around these stitches right here, these 3. And like the row before, we will make 1 double treble crochet around each of them. When we are ready with these 3 stitches, we have to go back and work around the ones we skipped. So going like this, from the front, not like the previous row we went through the back. In this row we're working like this, and 1 double treble crochet in each of the 3 stitches. Okay, this is how it's looking so far. So from here, skip these stitches on the back and work around the next. Again, 3 front post double treble crochets. When these stitches are ready, we have to go back in the skipped stitches like this. From here, repeat the steps until you reach the end of the row. To finish the row, just make one treble crochet here in the last stitch. And this is how it's looking. It's very beautiful, and it will get even more beautiful when it's on a larger project. So this is the stitch. From now on you have to repeat rows 2 and 3 until you reach the desired length of your project. I hope you enjoyed this video. Give it a thumbs up and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye!